Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply show your bookmark in Firefox. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Firefox browser right here. I'm going to click on here. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you need to do is to click on Customize Home Page. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this button right here. Once you turn it on, simply go back to the home page and all your bookmarks is going to be shown right here. You can click on here to see all bookmarks you have on your Firefox browser. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.